Guys, welcome back. I've busy buying some flowers. I've got some carnations, more carnations. I've got a fuchsia, got an acer, got a Kari Rogue. I've got another acer and some lavender. And what I'm going to do along here now, I'm going to create a border going along there. So I'm going to dig this out now and then we'll get these planted in. Good thing is all this is topsoil that I did last year, so it's shouldn't be too bad. So what I got is just my cobra, which I use for ducting. I'm going to use that to create my borderline. Everything else in my garden is pretty straight lines. So I'm thinking for here, we can go more curvy. Now what I'll do is just add some bricks just to keep it in place. And then if we kind of keep it free flowing. Now, like I say, I've just used a cobra that we use to pull cables and stuff through ducting. Well, you can use a hose pipe, you can use rope, anything that you can create a guide with, really. Timber. So what I'll do now is cut along there, dig that out, and get some of these plants put in. Now that we've gone all the way along, just want to do it to small areas so it's easier to get the spade. It's easier to get the spade. We'll do that all the way along now until we've got it all dug out. Right, so now that we've got that cut out all the way along, as you can see, what we need to do now is bury this back under. So we'll do that now and I'll put you on time lapse. There we go, that's now buried. As you can see, there was that thin roots in there. We've got them out now. So what I'm going to do is just neaten up the edge. Give it a little rake. Because as you can see, there's still that weed just there. And then get them planted. Got some compost as well to put in. And I'll mix it with some Miracle Grow seeds as well. And then, yeah, so it's going to look good afterwards, don't you think? Would you have done anything different? Let me know. Right, so now that that's been done, we can actually start planting now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these in the soil, get them all positioned, get the thumbs up from the missus, and we'll get them planted. What I've done is I've taken a photo of all of these, and I've created an album, so I know all what's what, because you always forget and then people go, oh, what's that? So that's my initial thing. What do you think of that? So at the moment they're going to be tiny, aren't they? And I'm thinking lavender there. Thinking this one there. And then we have got this fuchsia as well. So I'm thinking there. Let's go here. And obviously then I've got the carnations, which I can fill in the gaps. So what I've gone for is the Miracle Grow peat-free premium all-rounder compost. Got it from a local DIY store. I think it's 3 bags for 20, which I didn't think was too bad. And if we have that about there, so what I want to do is just dig it more than what I need to. Because then what I want to do Add some compost in there. Because this has got the Miracle Grow breeds in as well, so that'll help with the roots. And then get that. Get that around it, like so. And get some more soil around there. And there you go. First one planted. So what I'll do is I'll plant them all first, and then I'll go over then. And what I'll do is just get the compost and just go over the top like so. Next one, we have got the Paloma Blanca. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is, you don't need to prune it. Plenty of sunlight. It will grow 40 to 50 centimetres high. So yeah. I like it. They're a bit tight coming out of the pot. Just give them a tap. And there you go. Just like so. And there's a bit more compost going around it. And what I'll do is I'll just stick that behind. There you go. Acer, lavender, fuchsia, rogue, Paloma, and then a red Acer. It looks really good. Let's get some carnations in now, and I think that look really good. And there you go. From a lawn to a nice bedding full of flowers. You know, give that a little while and I'm sure they'll blossom really nice. Thanks to this little man, he's helped out today. He's eager to be the cameraman. But and there you go, just like that. So, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully this brings a bit of colour to the garden. So, thanks guys. Until next time. Okay, bye-bye.